Friends, I am Dr. Bina Diwan, Director Faculty of Land Governance from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's our topic is registration of trade union. Right? तो स्टार्ट करें. रजिस्ट्रेशन. सबसे पहले मोड ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन. Any 7 or more members of a trade union may, by subscribing their names to the rules of the trade union, right, 7 या 7 से अधिक लोग, and by otherwise complying with the provision of this act. With respect to registration, apply for registration of the trade union this act, where an application has been made under the subsection 1 for the registration of a trade union, such application shall not be deemed to have become invalid merely by reason of the act, that at any time after the date of the application but before the registration of the trade union, some of the applicants, but not exceeding half of the total number of persons who made the application, have ceased to be members of the trade union, or have given notice in writing to the registrar dissociating themselves from the application. तो ये तो हुआ कैसे मोड होगा रजिस्ट्रेशन का. ठीक है. अब आता है कि एप्लीकेशन फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन. एप्लीकेशन फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन इसके सेक्शन 5 में आता है, और वो क्या है? एवरी एप्लीकेशन कहाँ जाएगी? रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिस में जाएगी. एवरी एप्लीकेशन फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ ए ट्रेड यूनियन शैल मेड बी टू द रजिस्ट्रार एंड शैल बी accompanied by a copy of the rules of the trade union and a statement of the following particulars. कौन कौन से? The name, occupation and address of the members making application. जो लोग एप्लीकेशन बना रहे हैं वो अपना नाम, ऑक्यूपेशन, एड्रेस वगैरह उस पर देंगे. द नेम ऑफ द ट्रेड यूनियन. इसके अलावा उस एप्लीकेशन पर उस ट्रेड यूनियन का नाम भी होगा जिस नाम से आप उसको रजिस्ट्रार के पास रजिस्टर कराने जा रहे हैं. एंड द एड्रेस ऑफ इट्स हेड ऑफिस, और हेड ऑफिस का एड्रेस भी होगा. एंड द टाइटल्स, नेम, एज, एड्रेस एंड ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द ट्रेड यूनियन. क्लियर? वाई वेयर अ ट्रेड यूनियन हैज बीन in existence for more than 1 year before the making of an application for its registration, there shall be delivered to the register and together with the application a general statement of the assets and liabilities of the trade union prepared in such form and containing such particulars as may be prescribed. Clear? Provisions to be contained in the rules of a trade union. Trade union shall not be entitled to registration under the act unless the executive thereof is constituted in accordance with the provision of this act, and the rules thereof provide the following matters, namely कौन कौन से? the name of the trade union, number 1, write down. Number 2, the whole of the objects for which the trade union has been established, and third one, the whole of the purpose for which the general funds of the trade union shall be applicable. all of which purpose shall be purposes to which such funds are lawfully applicable under the Act. Right? The maintenance of a list of the members of the trade union and adequate facilities for the inspection thereof by the office bearers and members of trade union. The admission of ordinary members who shall be persons actually engaged or employed in an industry with which the trade union is connected, and also the admission of the number of honorary industry with the trade union is connected, and also the admission of the number of honorary or temporary members required under section 22 to form the executive of the trade union. The payment of a subscription by members of the trade union, which shall be not less than 25 paise per month per member. The condition under which any member shall be entitled to any benefit assured by the rules and under which any fine or forfeiture may be imposed on the members. Correct? The manner in which the rules shall be amended, varied or signed it. Next, the manner in which the members of the executive and the other of the trade union shall be appointed and removed. The safe custody of the funds of the trade union and annual audit in such manner as may be prescribed of the accounts thereof, an adequate facility for the inspection of the accounts books by the and members of the trade union, and the manner in which the trade union may be dissolved. The registrar may call for further information for the purpose of satisfying himself that any application complies with the provision of section 5, or that the trade union is entitled to registration under section 6 and may refuse to register the trade union until such information is supplied. If the name under which a trade union is proposed to be registered is identical with that by which any other existing trade union has been registered, or in the opinion of the registrar so nearly resembles such name as to be likely to deceive the public or the members of either trade union, the registrar shall require the person anything for registration to alter the name of the trade union stated in the application, and shall refuse to register the trade union until such alternation has been made. Section 8, registration of trade union. The registrar, on being satisfied that the trade union has complied with all the requirements of the Act in regard to registration, shall register the trade union by entering in a register to be maintained in such form as may be prescribed the particulars relating to the trade union contained in the statement accompanying the application for registration. Registrar is not a quasi-judicial authority and cannot therefore decide a disputed question of fact or law. Provision of this section relate to only registration of a trade union. It is only a civil court which has jurisdiction to decide that dispute. Since under the Trade Union Act, here is no provision permitting or empowering the registrar to refer internal disputes relating the office bearer for adjudication to any other forum. एक केस था इसमें, राइट डाउन RN सिंह वर्सेज स्टेट ऑफ बिहार 1998 LLR 645 and last certificate of registration. The registrar on registering a trade union under section 8 shall issue a certificate of registration in the prescribed form, which shall be conclusive evidence that the trade union has been duly registered under this act. जब सब चीज़ें सही हो जाती हैं, सारे नॉर्म्स पूरे कर लिए जाते हैं, तो रजिस्ट्रार जो है वो उसका रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के बाद उस ट्रेड यूनियन को एक सर्टिफिकेट प्रदान कर देती है. उस सर्टिफिकेट से पता चलता है कि ये ट्रेड यूनियन अब रजिस्टर्ड ट्रेड यूनियन है. द सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड गुड अंटिल इट इज कैंसल्ड. IFFCO IFCO फुलपुर कर्मचारी संघ वर्सेज रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ ट्रेड यूनियन. द रजिस्ट्रेशन गिव्स a stamp of due formation of the trade union and assure the mind of the employer that the trade union is an authenticated body. The names and occupation of whose office bearers also become known. Food Corporation of India Staff Union versus Food Corporation of India 1995. Law LLR 309. Clear? Cancellation of registration, section 10. A certificate of registration of a trade union may be withdrawn or cancelled by the registrar on the application of the trade union to be verified in such manner as may be prescribed. If the registrar is satisfied that the certificate has been obtained by fraud, अगर सर्टिफिकेट ऑब्टेन किया गया है फ्रॉड तरीके से, मिस्टेक तरीके से, और दैट द ट्रेड यूनियन हैज सीज टू एग्जिस्ट, तो वो कर सकती है उसको सीज, और हैज विलफुली एंड आफ्टर नोटिस फ्रॉम द रजिस्ट्रार कॉन्ट्रावेट एनी प्रोविजन ऑफ दिस एक्ट. अगर एक्ट के को कॉन्ट्रावेट कर रहे हैं और अलाउ एनी रूल द कंटिन्यू इन फोर्स विच इज इनकंसिस्टेंट विद द एनी सच प्रोविजन और हैज rescinded any rule providing for any matter provision for which is required by section 6, that not less than 2 months previous notice in writing specifying the ground on which it is purposed to withdraw or cancel the certificate shall be given by the registrar to the trade union before the certificate is withdrawn or cancelled, otherwise than on the application of the trade union. The topic is completed. So guys, I hope you have all understood. If you have any query, you can ask. You can write me. It is very important topic for the examination point of view. Write down some questions. Number 1, regarding this topic. Number 1, explain the registration of trade union. Who is registrar under Trade Union Act? Who is appointed by registrar? What is the procedure? Cancellation of registration of a registered trade union. के अलावा और भी कई तरीके के क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं इन एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी।